Okay guys, 2022 Kia Telluride S trim, rebuilt title. Damage was right here in the front hood area. All been fixed up. You can see they had to do a little repair here. You can see all the headlight, frame, no damage. Looks good, past alignment. Good Michelin tires on it. Leather, captain's seats, sunroof, heated seats, wireless phone charging, locking diff, 47,532 on the miles, adaptive cruise, blind spot, lane assist, all your power windows, mirrors, unlocks, navigation, backup camera, heated seats, VIN number, seven passenger. All-wheel drive. Again, damage was right here. Lines look good, paint matches. Been all inspected, ready to go. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.